All right, this is CNN News 18's mega exclusive. Punjab police raids house of TLP chief, detains wife, mother and children. The TLP chief has alleged that the police in Pakistan has killed 11 TLP workers in Lahore and more than 24 workers are injured due to the shelling by the police. He further alleged that multiple workers were denied medical aid. All right, we have a reaction of Saad Rizvi. Let's listen in.
हम पर मार दो, हम सबको शहीद कर दो, लेकिन हम तो फलस्तीन की यकजहती के लिए खड़े हैं रोड पर, और तो हमारा मकसद ही कोई नहीं दुनिया में। गोली क्यों चला रहे हो? वजह तो बताओ, किसको खुश कर रहे हो? किसको खुश कर रहे हो? गोली क्यों चला रहे हो? अभी सुबह फजर से लेकर अभी तक तुमने 11 शहीद कर दिए हैं, 2 दर्जन से ज्यादा तुमने गोली से जख्मी कर दिए हैं, और अभी बहुत सारे अहबाब जिनको अस्पतालों में नहीं पहुंचाया जा रहा, उनको जनाब अभी तक जनाब वो करीबुल मौत है, करीबुल शहादत है। हम ये पूछते हैं, पूरा पाकिस्तान पूछे, गोली क्यों चला रहे हो? क्यों चला रहे हो? किसको खुश कर रहे हो? हमें शहीद करके किसको खुश कर रहे हो जालिमों? गोली क्यों चला रहे हो?
All right, now let me go back to CNN News 18's Anand Narsimhan. Anand, what is the reason behind these raids and also detention of Saad Rizvi's family members?
Saad Rizvi is the head and the current leader of, and he's taken after his father, of the Tehreek-e-Labbaik Pakistan. So TLP is the Tehreek-e-Labbaik Pakistan, largely Barelvi Firqa, but very, very far right. But they were mounting huge protests against the entire Palestine deal and the Gaza deal, which they believe is lopsided, and it's the Palestinians and the Hamas who have got the short end of the stick. And in this case, they wanted to raise and move to Islamabad because they wanted to urge the Pakistan military and also the Pakistan leadership to voice their dissent and their concerns, rather than trying to show as if they are conceding and they are okay with the kind of deal. So no utterances, and it has also enraged them that Asim Munir and Shehbaz Sharif are busy whining and dining with Donald Trump and sharing off and pawning off the nation's wealth and also Balochistan's wealth to the Americans. So all of these were the ones, but it is a civilian protest. They were not resulting or starting violence, but we heard what they are saying. Saad Rizvi is saying, we are Pakistanis. We have the right to protest. They are saying, why are you firing at us? We are only raising the cause of Hamas and Palestine, which Pakistan officially has espoused support. So what is your problem? And kiske kehne pe chala rahe ho is another question. Point is, who is asking you to fire these bullets? At whose instructions are you firing these bullets is the other question. Saying, why are you killing us? Hame shaheed kyun kar rahe ho? And kiske kehne pe goli chala rahe ho? So these are the two questions that are being asked. And this is going to put pressure not just on Islamabad, but also on Rawalpindi. Because all of the remote control of Islamabad and the Shehbaz Sharif government is directly with Rawalpindi. Both Khwaja Asif, Mohsin Naqvi, and also this one, Shehbaz Sharif, have all very clearly indicated that they are all sitting in their kursis because of the good offices or perhaps the sentiment and the favors of the military and the ISI.
And Anand, do we know the whereabouts of TLP chief, and also what is his stake in Pakistan as far as Pakistan's politics is concerned?
You see, there will be civic unrest in Lahore and in Islamabad, and that is only going to compound the problems for the security forces who are already battling resistance in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. There is a resistance with water and the relocation of the dams and all of that in Sindh. There is also a fight in Balochistan where the Baloch are mobilizing and they are quite literally want to break away and declare independence. And there were massive protests against the civilian establishment and also the presence of the military and the military elite in POK. Recently, where there was a whole march to Muzaffarabad. So you see, Pakistan is bursting at its seams, and these people have no clue how to control it. And the control which is there in the hands of a few elite who seem to be carting away the nation's wealth and its riches while leaving its people in penury. Their days seem to be numbered given the way things are going on. They're all hanging by a thread, and now Lahore and Islamabad will also now be containerized.
Thank you so much, Anand, for putting this story into perspective. Now, we are heading into a small break, but before that, let's listen in once again what TLP chief Saad had to say.
मिसाइल लाओ, हम पर मार दो, हम सबको शहीद कर दो, लेकिन हम तो फलस्तीन की यकजहती के लिए खड़े हैं रोड पर, और तो हमारा मकसद ही कोई नहीं दुनिया में। गोली क्यों चला रहे हो? वजह तो बताओ, किसको खुश कर रहे हो? किसको खुश कर रहे हो? गोली क्यों चला रहे हो? अभी सुबह फजर से लेकर अभी तक तुमने 11 शहीद कर दिए हैं, 2 दर्जन से ज्यादा तुमने गोली से जख्मी कर दिए हैं, और अभी बहुत सारे अहबाब जिनको अस्पतालों में नहीं पहुंचाया जा रहा, उनको जनाब अभी तक जनाब वो करीबुल मौत है, करीबुल शहादत है। हम ये पूछते हैं, पूरा पाकिस्तान पूछे, गोली क्यों चला रहे हो?
क्यों चला रहे हो?
किसको खुश कर रहे हो? हमें शहीद करके किसको खुश कर रहे हो? जालिमों, गोली क्यों चला रहे हो?